few moments of your day and explain to you a question that I've had over and over. And that question is, how do I clean up my ClassWise? How do I get rid of some of those classes that are in there and make it a little more organized? So from the ClassLink Launchpad, let's open up ClassWise. We're going to sign in with Google, select our account, continue, and we'll be taken to the ClassWise homepage. So for me, I'm going to have about 5 classes in here. Some of you, depending on how this pulls from Google Classroom and how this pulls on each section, you're going to have a different number of classes based on what is in your roster for you. So as we sign in here, I thought we'd already done that, but that's technology for you. Continue once again, and here we go to the ClassWise launch page. So I'm going to focus today, let's just say that my 2nd grade class, my 7th and 8th grade class, and my test class are the 3 classes that I'm only going to worry about and only want to be concerned with. So in the upper right-hand corner of these classes, you're going to see the pin icon. If you will pin that class, let me back out the view just a little bit, you'll notice that these are now pinned and separated from the remainder of your classes. So for your science class, your social studies class, if you have a block schedule or something and you want only the classes from this semester to be in there, then you can pin these classes at the top, and your other classes are going to be filtered and separated down here at the bottom. Take this little arrow right here, select it, and they will go away. So now we have a separation from the pinned classes that I use and that I want to focus on, and the other classes that are either not being used, the sections aren't in use, or maybe they're an archived class from previous years or previous semesters. They're still there, but still separated from the rest of your work. If you have questions about ClassWise, questions about Google, Magic School, AI, anything else technology-wise, please feel free to send me an email or reach out, and I'll be glad to meet with you.